Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Jasmine, your educator for computer science and technology. So today I'm here with another class where I will discuss data formatting in Excel. Okay, already I have entered few information over here. It includes roll number, name of students, Hindi marks, English marks, and computer science without any border. Okay, now, if you will print this page, we all know we'll have after some time after entering any kind of data, if you're working in any office, then you'll have to print it out and give it to the officer or manager. Okay, so what you will do, you will have to print it, the page. But sometimes what happens, if you will print that page, if there is some problem, then it will be a wastage of our paper. So before printing, you can do what? You can preview the page. You can preview it, everything. So you can preview the page. Okay, so this is the preview. Here you can observe one thing, there is a problem, that is under roll number, there is no roll number, it is behind. Then name of students, Hindi marks, English marks, and computer science marks. And all the pages are blank. Okay. So to solve this problem, what I will have to do, I will have to give, first of all, let me give a border so that it looks good. So you can see one thing, remember one thing, if we enter any numeric information, numeric value, for example, these are some numeric values. If we enter any numeric value, then by default, it is in the right side of that particular cell. That means it is right aligned. Okay. If we enter any text, by default, the texts are in the left side of that particular cell. The left side of the particular cell. So let me delete it. So we can solve the problem by, let me select all the information that I have entered and click on center align. If you will center align the information, all the information are in the center position of the particular cell. Clear? So now you can see the preview. Now it is looking good. Okay. So another thing, if you want to give any highlight, if you want to give any heading, if you want to change the heading style, what you can do, there is a group called font which is under home tab. In that font group, there are this information font page. There are lots of handwriting available called font page, lots of information. Then you can increase the size of the font. You can increase from this also, increase font size. You can decrease it from this also, this option available. You can make it bold, you can give italic, you can give underline also. There are various underline, information double underline also you can give. Then this is for border, and this is for highlighting. If you want to give any highlight to the heading, then you can give from this option. You can also change the color, text color. Text color, for example, from I can, so I can give blue color. So change it. Now you can see there is another problem. Let me go to the preview section. Few information are hidden from this area. Few information are not visible. So to solve this problem, what I will have to do now, I will have to select that row where the problem is shown. Then in the alignment group, what are the options that are available? These are the alignment option: top, middle, then bottom, then left, center, and right. Then this is for orientation. This is increase indent. This is decrease indent. Sorry, this is increase indent. What is decrease and increase indent? For example, this information, the name of the students, if I want to give it left align, now you can see there is no space between the margin and the text. If I want to give space between the margin and the text, then what I will do, I will increased the indent. You can see I have increased. Now you can see few information are hidden here also. Okay, so let me select all the information. I selected all the information to solve the problem of hiding. What I will do now, in that same alignment group that is called wrap text. From here also you can solve the issue, or you can increase the column width also. You can increase the column width also by from here. So from format that is available in cells group, you can do it. Auto fit column width. This will also solve the problem. So I have done what? I have from the cells group format option, auto fit, column width. I have done this. By this way also you can solve the problem, or you can go to wrap text. Will also solve the problem. You can see. But in wrap text, what happens? I don't want the information to be shown like, okay. So I don't want like. So I think auto fit is better option. Auto fit is better option. Clear to everyone? Next, if I have increased the row height, for example, I've increased row 5. Now you can see the information over here is in the bottom area. The bottom area. I want to bring it to the middle area. I can do it like this also. But what happens? Always maintain the always keep the row height equal so that it makes it make the cell attractive. Okay, so we in this session what I have told about font group that is available in the home tab, the alignment. So what is margin center? Let me discuss this also. If you want to merge name of students and you want to, for example, I have entered one here. I have entered A, B, C. So I want to combine these two cells. If I want to combine these two cells, I will select the two cells. Then Mars and center, Mars across, Mars cell, and Mars. So you can do anything as the information are different. So the text is discarded from it. Okay. So for example, I want to merge all these cells. So let me give a border so that you can understand how the margin works. Increased it. So these are the three cells I want to merge. So now is a single cell. What is a single cell, and the name of the cell is E13. The first cell, the first what? Column name. I have selected EFG cell, but EFG column, but E is defined over the after merge. So this is the end of today's session where I have discussed few formatting information. Later on, I will discuss number groups, styles, cells, editing, and other tab also. So what these are what? Home tab, insert tab. I will discuss all the tab. So thank you everyone. So if you are really liking my channel, liking my videos, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also to like it if you are really liking it, and don't forget to share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.